there are time-based strategies that is only applicable in the age today. Nakapagbasa na ako ng libro in the past, naka-attend na ako ng seminar in the past, therefore, okay na yon. No. Okay, the first question was, ano ang una kong gagawin? Mag-aral. Okay. The thing about business is this. Business, there are timeless principles about business na kailangan nating matutunan. In the same manner, meron ding mga certain strategies ang negosyo that is actually not timeless, but time-based. Kaya yan yung reason kung bakit napakadaming business books at napakadaming seminar tungkol sa negosyo tapos hindi siya natatapos, hindi siya nauubos. Ang dami na nagtatanong, bakit ganon? Ang dami na there are a lot of people talking about business, but how come there is no one book or no one principle that encapsulate everything about business for the rest of their lives? Why? Is because, sabi ko nga, there are timeless principles about business na kailangan matutunan ng lahat. Pero, in the same manner, there are time-based strategies that is only applicable in the age today. Kaya kailangan yan pinag-aaralan. Hindi siya pwedeng nakapagbasa na ako ng libro in the past, naka-attend na ako ng seminar in the past, therefore, okay na yon. No. Because nagbabago ang mundo, nagbabago ang trend. For example, there is an ongoing conflict that's going on in the Middle East today. Kaya ko alam, Sir Vic, is because I'm actually scheduled for Dubai first week of March. And apparently, of course, it was canceled and my branch in Dubai because I have kumbaga meron tayong branch sa Dubai, no? One of our company in the Philippines, nag-expand na tayo sa Dubai. Yes, so meron tayong community sa Dubai, meron tayong kumpanya doon. We have partnered with the Filipino company that is based in Dubai. Sila ang nagpa-international, no? Isa sa mga unang tao na nagpa-international sa ating kumpanya, which is I Am Plus Coaching. I'm supposed to be on the first week of March, and then of course we had to reschedule. I had to make the hard decision of, you know what, we have to cancel this. We have to move this to another schedule because of the ongoing conflict. Now, why am I saying that? Does that mean that business will stop just because there is something that's going on with the news? No. Business is about resiliency, and business is about being able to adapt to change. Kaya yan yung sinasabi ko na if I am an OFW, ang una kong gagawin is to learn so that I don't have to fall back on becoming a victim of circumstances, of conflicts, of the wars, or of whatever that is going on in the world, but I could always find opportunities in every situation. Yan po ang aking sagot doon, Sir Vic.